Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing for a film camera, as you can see by the title, and I am very excited about this. It's here, which I'm about to unbox in a sec. Before I unbox it, I want to tell you a story of how I got this film camera. It is literally, I feel like it's a miraculous filmception, you can call it. Basically, the day before, actually within the week before I got the package, I was looking at film cameras on eBay. I even ended up in a bidding war between, I don't know, somebody. At literally the last minute, it was in my basket and I was like, yes, I'm gonna get it. Literally the last minute they kept bidding. It was like 31, I was like 32, 33, 34, and literally on the last 10 seconds they won it for £37, and I was like, cool, that's great. So obviously I lost that one, and then I was doing my devotion the day after, or a couple of days after that happened, and I came across this verse. I'm going to read to you guys. So it's Psalms 127 verse 1 to 2. I'm going to read the amplified version because I feel like that explains it well. Okay. Unless the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain who build it. Unless the Lord guards the city, the watchman keeps awake in vain. It is vain for you to rise early, to retire late, to eat the bread of the anxious laborers, for he gives blessings to his beloved even in his sleep. So I read that in relation to the end of verse 2, where it says, for he gives blessings to his beloved even in his sleep. Even in the NLT version, where it reads, it is useless for you to work so hard from early morning until late at night, anxiously working for food to eat, for God gives rest to his beloved ones. Sometimes we may put loads of effort into getting something that God can give you like that. That's what I take away from this verse, that you can work all day, you can work 9 till 5, 9 to 6, whatever. I know you're putting in the work and that, but God can do anything like this, suddenly. And you know it's a miracle when it happens suddenly, you know it's God when it's suddenly. So I'm telling you this because the next day I wake up, so after this devotion I went to sleep. The next day I wake up with an email in my phone saying, congratulations, you have won. And I'm just like, wait, didn't I lose a bidding war yesterday? I woke up and I was like, I literally checked on my phone, I was like, and it said, congratulations, you have won. It was in my inbox that I won the Olympus camera, and I literally could not believe it. I was like, I don't even remember bidding on this, for one, and for two, after a while this verse popped back into my head when I was refreshing my notes, and I was like, oh my days. So I think this camera has come from God, because I don't remember bidding on another film camera. I think I bid on 2 and I've lost one, and then the other one was still 5 days to go. Guess how much I got this for? £15. £15. I really can't. Also, I got £5 off from your first order on eBay. They give you a special £5 off. Guys, I got this for £15. I'm gonna unbox it now. It is second hand, so I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited to see what this looks like. I'm unboxing it. You probably can't even see it. I'm gonna try and put it higher. I'm actually nervous. Guys, God is good. Wow, that's literally a testimony. I have to tell you guys that story. I should probably open this with scissors. Cute. Thanks for whoever sent me this. It's a bit mash up. It looks a bit mash up, but it's 15 quid. I'm holding it like this because I'm a bit, and it's literally just in here like this. It looks well dusty. Wow. This is it. It needs cleaning. This is it, guys. I am obsessed with it. Does this not go down? Is that like a foam? Wow, I love it. I Olympus Muji. Do you say it as Muji? I'm not sure, to be honest. 115. Wow, I'm gassed. I'm actually so excited to start filming. I'm actually going to be taking a lot of pictures with this film camera, which I'm very excited about because I sometimes I don't want to get out my DSLR camera like out and about, even though it sounds really weird. I'd rather just take out my film camera, and like it's so specific because you only have like certain frames to get it, whereas on the DSLR you can but this one is just like that perfect moment. So I'm very excited. I'm excited to get film developed and just to bring you on this film camera journey with me. I've already got one of those instant Polaroid cameras, but I feel like that's not the same as this camera here, and it's so cute, and I wanted it in black as well. I hope that everything works with it. I'm not entirely sure how to work it, but I will get there. It's so dusty, it needs a clean. So the moral of this story is to be still and know that God is God, because He does things in His sleep. There's whatever you're going through, whatever stress you're going through, whatever season you are in, just remember that you just need to, instead of staying up at night worrying about something, I don't even know what you're worrying about, but instead of staying up and worrying, God has your back, and He always does. He's always listening to you. He's always listening to your prayers. So when it seems like He's not listening, He is listening. Trust me, like, prayers will be answered. Your breakthrough is coming very soon. And just in this time of waiting for whatever you're waiting for, trust God, you know, trust God. He's got your back. And yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys that, because I think that definitely was God that gave me that film camera, because I don't remember bidding on that at all. And it's mad. I'm still like, what is going on? But yeah, this is the camera. I feel like this video is like unboxing and hashtag testimony time. But yeah, this is the camera. I'm very grateful that I have it. I'm going to use it for God's kingdom as well, because He gave it to me, gotta give it back. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to use it. I'm gonna take you guys through like the process of me getting film and like taking pictures. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you share this video with people that need to hear this wonderful testimony. Or if you just like photography and you're into film and you want to follow me on that journey, let me know. Definitely follow my Instagram at Deborah Iona, and follow my photography Instagram account, where you'll probably see the film camera pictures at Deborah Iona Photography as well. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you in